In this video, I enjoy ice-cold beers in a tiny home in Idaho. I go hiking the rugged mountains and explore amazing scenery. I find a beautiful hot spring deep in the Idaho Mountains and spend some much-needed time relaxing there. About a 3.5-hour drive to the Airbnb, but hopefully going to stop off from some national forest road and make up a nice lunch. And maybe get a little sunshine and a workout in, and then continue to the Airbnb. This road is really neat, beautiful mountains and snow-capped peaks, lots of open land, very little homes or buildings, and many places you can pull off on public land roads and just go exploring into these mountains. It's just really neat. Again, Maryland doesn't have too much stuff like this, and it's just so interesting to see. And I think it's amazing that people have an opportunity to have this land preserved and they're able to use it for enjoyment. That's how it should be. It's amazing to see, and I just love it. I had to mention it. Anyway, back to driving and music. This is a beautiful little spot. I drove off-road for a bit and found a nice little creek. I'm gonna cook up some lunch. Decided to utilize this place, which is public lands for any U.S. citizen. We're able to utilize this beautiful land, and so got snow-capped mountains in the distance over there, and on the other side, beautiful little creek here, and gonna catch a few sun rays, get a little sunshine, and cook up a nice meal. Alrighty, that was a nice lunch break, and also took some time to just chill, soak up some sun rays, and rest a bit. But now, let's finish the drive. About an hour and a half left to the Airbnb. Alright, I believe that's the rental. And we're home for the next 2 days. My friends, this is probably the coolest Airbnb I've stayed at ever. It's a really cool tiny home, but it's so well designed, it doesn't feel tiny. And the views are spectacular. So I'm gonna give you a quick little tour and yeah, show you the Airbnb. So this is the front little deck. I'm taking those stairs up there very shortly. But very nice. Excuse the mess already, but nice sitting area, which a lot of Airbnbs don't always have. Washer dryer, fantastic. Very cool little kitchen, table, TV. There's the upper loft. But nice little 2-burner here. And nice fridge. Bathroom. Perfect. This will work great. And here's my bedroom where I'll sleep. There's this loft here, which you go up these very steep stairs. But look at this. A super nice little sleeping area. You know, if you had kids or something, you could throw them up here. But ooh, golly, that is steep and narrow, I'm not gonna lie. Before I go up top though, I'm gonna grab something. They even have a speaker. Amazing. All right. Ooh, yes. Oh, baby. Now we're cooking. Look at these views. After driving 4.5, 5 hours, this is gonna be really nice. Excuse me. Yeah, I got another, baby. I cannot tell all of you how good it feels to be in some warm weather. It's about 81 degrees right now and sunny, and it feels phenomenal. I've been probably for the last 2 to 3 weeks in cold, mountainous weather, and it's been really cool, but Man, I didn't realize that the summer guy inside of me was crying out and missing the beautiful warm weather and the heat. It just feels so good. Oh, so enjoying a cold brewski after the long drive and really relaxing and soaking up this beautiful view and the cosmic rays of the sunshine. Really cool. So beautiful and peaceful. Sun's coming down. Nature is settling in for the night, and I will be shortly too. I'm tired, but wanted to sit out here and just enjoy this beautiful sunset happening. Good morning, everybody. Beautiful day in Idaho here. Oh, I'm blown away by how pretty it is, but there is a hot spring hike that I found, and I really want to do it, so let's go. Hey, island girl, kinda east side crazy. And we're off on the trail at first, El Baño. Very excited for this hike. It is relatively short, about 3.6 miles with around 900 feet of elevation gain. So I will say, I think it's gonna be mostly straight up, straight down, but really excited for it. Nice hot spring at the top, I believe, and that's gonna feel nice. Beautiful country. This is just beautiful. Oh, wow. Wow. Birds are singing, sun's out, and the scenery is breathtaking. Check it out. A little campsite right here, right by the river. There's been a lot of these campsites along this trail, so really cool. This is public land right here, national forest, and you can come out here and camp for free. You know, really neat. I believe the hot spring is somewhere up there in the mountains. So beautiful. I'm just soaking this all in. Oh man, really cool. About half a mile left. We keep going up. Ooh, it's a steep climb, the last portion, but almost there. Made it. You see the steam coming off the water there. It's like the perfect hot tub temperature. So, gotta acclimate though. But feels like, you know, when you first get in a hot tub and it's really hot. Now that I'm in here a little bit, 20 seconds, start feeling good. This feels great. That was really nice, but I'm overheating just a little bit. So I'm gonna hop out now, dry off, and head back so I can check in for my flight. But very cool spot, very nice. Beautiful view, nice little pool here. My hot tub, nature's hot tub, very cool. Yeah, great little hot spring. Felt really good. I'm all loose, limber. I'm kind of half asleep, but gotta begin the trek back. I can't tell you, I haven't been in a hot tub, you know, type of water for a while. Probably a few months, and I forgot how relaxing it is. My whole body just feels like, whew, like it release tension and let go, and man, it feels good. Adios, amigos, Mr. Hot Spring. The trail leads me onward. Got some water boiling so I can do some oatmeal right here and enjoy a nice breakfast after that beautiful hike. I'm pretty hungry. A little peanut butter. And when I say a little, I mean a lot. Yummy. But I got some sweets. Bear Claw, blueberry muffin. So far, this Bear Claw, quite tasty. Rising and we're shining, baby. Was up at about 4:15 this morning and have about a 4-hour drive. All right, see you later. And I will say they look very healthy compared to some of the elk I saw in the national parks. Big, healthy, good coats on them.